Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Fabfitfun. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Fabfitfun, and this is officially my anniversary for Fabfitfun. This was the very first box that I received last year. So this is their spring 2020 box. Okay, now let's just first talk about the elephant in the room. So for those of you who, I'm sure you're not living under a box, we all know that, you know, right now our country or our planet is actually going through that pandemic. So I just wanted to wish you guys first much health and safety. Do me a favor and let me know in the comment section below where you're watching this video from. If you're in the US, what state, or if you're in another country, let me know in the comment section below the country that you're watching this from. Let me know you guys are okay. I decided as a channel, I just wanted to continue making videos with reviews and unboxings, because sometimes when the world gets crazy or your life gets discombobulated, sometimes you just need that, I guess, that push and distraction. So I definitely hope that these videos are helpful to you guys, just to go away from, you know, the news and all the craziness in the world. So I just wanted to let you just take a step back and let you guys know I'm definitely wishing all of you nothing but health and safety in these crazy times. So just wanted to start off with that. So please let me know where you're watching this from in this comment section below before we, you know, continue. And with that being said, let's continue. Okay, so like I said previously, this is my first year anniversary with Fabfitfun. I've been loving them. If you don't know, Fabfitfun is a lifestyle box. It's $49.99. But of course, I'm gonna save you guys some moolah. So if you look at it under the video, there's always gonna be a coupon code for you guys, so you can save $10 if this is your first box. And you can check out whatever current specials that there are. There's always specials. If you're looking at my blog, if you're looking at this video on my blog, of course, I always put any spoilers or any deals that Fabfitfun is having, so definitely check that out. Okay, so this is what the spring box comes, and I love the boxes because, let me go this way. Every box is themed with a different theme. So this is what this spring 2020 for me looked like, and I haven't seen anyone with a green box. I don't know, have you guys seen anyone? I've been watching the Fabfitfun boxes for a while, for videos this season, and haven't really seen anyone with a green box. So I don't know, I got something totally different, which is cool. So that's what that box looks like. And then when you open it up, the inside of the box is also curated. So see there, it's a blue, and then it shows you different things here. So this month's box is featuring a different, usually features a different celebrity. This one is Gina Rodriguez. So you see her there. And then in the inside of the box, it gives you like the customizations of the things that you get to choose. So that's why I like this box, because you actually get to choose the things that are in your box. So you guys are gonna see what I chose. And then if you're an annual subscriber, you can do this every season, which is every winter, spring, summer, fall. So that's like 4 boxes a year. And if you pay for the year, you actually get more choices. So, and on my blog, you can see the different options that we had for the spring 2020 box. I'm not gonna go through that because they do show you that here, but sometimes that can get confusing. So guys, I want you to check out my blog so you can see exactly what you could have chosen for the spring box, if you're curious. Okay, so the very first thing we have here, this is from Bite. It says, "You look good, but you're about to look better, bite me." So what is this? Oh, this is for teeth. I was like, what the heck is that? Okay, so this has something to do with teeth. This is an impressions kit. It looks like it's one of those straightening kits, probably like the other company that does it on TV all the time. And then we also have a HelloFresh. So HelloFresh, I've gotten this every time I get a box. So this is HelloFresh, 9 free meals, including free shipping, if you use like that coupon that's on there. So I will definitely be taking a look and checking that out. Okay, so as you can see there is like tissue paper, and then it says share to win, and it says #Fabfitfun. So if you haven't shared your box, definitely do that. And then let us see what is inside. So we're gonna look at this together. So this is everything, as you can see. You guys have a heads up on my choices. So I'll go through each item and then tell you exactly the ones I chose. So first, I did choose this one. So this is from Reivew. And these, I know for sure, these were like masks. Let me see. 2-in-1 Purify and Glow mask collection. And then, let me see if I can give you guys the retail value of this one. All right, so the retail value of this one is actually $45. So let me use my scissors so you guys can actually see what the full-size version of this looks like. So basically, if you know anything about me, or you probably have heard, I love masks. So these are definitely a whole bunch of masks there. So you see there's 8 masks inside, and then it says, use the brown sugar mask for a radiant complexion on the golden or the golden roof mask to deeply cleanse skin. And then you have the brush there so that you can use to apply your mask. Super fancy. So I don't mind that. So I love masks. So we digress and we love that. Okay, and then the next one we have here is from This Works. This is a deep sleep body cocoon. It says a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and better mornings. So that's what that says there. Let me see if I can give you guys some info on that one. This was not one of my choices. This was one of the options that they actually sent to me. So they choose if you're not an annual subscriber. So this one, it says, is use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your sleep. So this is, you use this overnight. And this one retails for $40. So not bad at all. And then this is from your Murad, and this is in Rapid Collagen Infusion. So you guys see that there? Let me see what the retail value of this one is. Okay, so this is $78. So remember, you're only paying retail, or the full price without a coupon, but of course we're gonna have a coupon, $49.99, and then just this item alone is $78. So this one says it's formulated with collagen amino acids. This treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. So it definitely, it's actually, today is my birthday. So as you're saying that it's my birthday. So this is, so I'm actually 43 today. So in my 40s, and I love skincare. So I definitely will get use out of this. And I cannot believe that this is $78. That is super funky and crazy. All right, so we put that away. Make sure we don't drop that. And then the next item we have here, what is this? Oh, this is a mystery item. So obviously that's a mystery item. So I have no idea what this one is. Okay, so this is the Better Skin Co. This is Epic C Serum. And it's funny because I actually ran out of serum. So this is a Power Trio Complex. So let me see if I can give you guys the retail value of this one when I find it. So bear with me. And I don't see it. So maybe I don't see it because this is actually like a mystery item. So if you look on my blog, I'll have the retail value for this one because I can't give you guys that. But it says Tighten, Brighten, and Revitalize. So I can dig it because I definitely needed serum. So perfect timing, Fabfitfun for my birthday. All right. So the next thing here is Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. Now, this is actually an item that I chose. Now this one, I chose this because I actually got a little sample size or deluxe size, I don't know, in the Ipsy Glam bag. And I loved it because I love the smell of watermelon. So I definitely got value out of that one. So this here is a retail value of, let me see. This is $35 and it says infused with the extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid. This polish will give your skin a burst of freshness. So $35. And let me show you guys what this one looks like. But this definitely, it smells like watermelon. So if you ever wanted to have watermelon in your face, this is definitely the one. So I have a full-size product of it. Awesome. And I love it. So If you ever tried Purlisse, let me know, because I like the little sample that I got. Okay, so we have more. Told you, I love this box. Okay, the next thing was an item that Fabfitfun gave me. So this is silicone straws. I've actually been thinking about getting these. I've heard so many good things, and you know how you always get those throwaway straws? It's so bad. We all know they're not good for the environment. So let me give you guys a retail value of this one, since this here is here. This is $15. So this is Chic and Tonic silicone straws. This set includes 4 silicone straws and a brush cleaner and carrying case, so you keep your sip drinks on the go. So that is that, and let us take a look to see what this one looks like. So I'm definitely happy for this one, because we know we need to save the environment with all the craziness. So what is this? So it just said what it was, and I totally forgot. What are you? A carrying case. I guess you carry it in here somehow. So we'll figure it out. And then these are the straws. So it's different neon, and they are soft like silicone. So, and it has the brush right there. So awesome. I would definitely figure the case out. So we're fine. And then more. Okay, so the next thing we have is Marianella body oil. So this is rosewood and let's see, Cubia. Totally butchered it, but it'll be on my blog, so you guys can check that out. So let me see what this is. So obviously it's body oil, Lynette. And I don't think this is an item that I chose. I don't remember choosing this one, but this is, okay. Jaboneria Marianella Imperial Jade Body Oil. So this says moisturize and replenish the skin with 100% pure oils and vitamins. This is $68. That is crazy, but I will give it a try. And then the next thing, okay, sorry, last but not least, we have, this is actually something I needed. So we have a what is this? What are you? This is a Donna Rib sweater coat. This is $99. This was one of my options that I chose, because the sweater that I currently have, I don't know what I did, but the arms have holes in them. I don't know why, because I literally wear this everywhere. It's like a home sweater. So I kind of wanted to replace that already. So this is actually what it looks like. It's gray. And let me take a look and see how this fits. And I love it, and it's super comfy, and it actually, I know you guys can't see it, but it actually has pockets. So I will definitely get use out of that, but just in case you guys want to actually see what that one looks like, it actually looks like this. Hold on. For $99, I will definitely be rocking that all the time. So it's right there. Okay, so let us do a recap on Fabfitfun, just to see what all came in the box and see if it was worth it. Obviously, just with the sweater alone, that's the cost of the box itself. So we have the sweater, which I totally just threw in there. Not cool, Lynette. But then we have the silicone straws. We have our fancy mask from Reivew. We have our body oil. We have our Purlisse watermelon peel mask. We have our collagen from Reivew. We have our serum, which Lynette needed. And then we have, oh, last thing here. And then we have this overnight body cream. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys got Fabfitfun. If you received the spring box, definitely let me know if you guys liked it, if you dug everything that was in it. But of course, with that being said, of course, guys, let me know in the comment section below, please, if you've ever tried any of these items before, you loved it, you dug it, did you skip this spring box? Did you get it? Are you gonna get the summer one? If you're curious, under the video, there's always gonna be a $10 off coupon, so you guys can check that out. And with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Hope you guys stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.